Awesome, awesome. Remember, time to wish, time to fish. Woo! Woo! Alright, welcome back guys, another episode. Here we go, family and I have just shot down to Myalup Beach, which is basically an hour and a half south of Perth. Man, you wouldn't expect the water to be this blue, but as you can see in the background, it looks bloody amazing. Got the fishing rods in the back of the car, so we'll get them out. There's heaps of birds around. Obviously they're all just frolicking. There's a bird there, it's about to smash the water. But check it out, it is blue as. Such a good spot. Hour and a half, Myalup Beach. You've got like Myalup Beach, Preston Beach. They're all like in line. Only an hour and a half south of Perth. Grab the car, grab the kids, grab the fishing rod, drive down, put it in Google Maps, easy as. And if you get a good weather day, you're laughing. The wind a little bit up at the moment, but it's about to drop off about 11 o'clock. But yeah, it's bloody amazing. So I'll try and get in the water and see if there's anything there. Forgot my bloody snorkels. What an idiot. But yeah, that's how we go. Beach is pretty soft, so if you are thinking of coming with the full drive, put your tyres down, bring your air compressor, tyre deflators, etc. And I've put my tyres down to about 16, 17 psi all around, so it's pretty good. It can be soft in some places, so it gets you close to the beach. But yeah, stay with us and I'll take you through what we're doing. It's pretty good, awesome for the kids. As you can see, look at that. I mean, there's kids swimming in the water, full drives parked up, beach rods are out, camping chairs are out. I've got my awning out as well. It's not too windy, so the awning's out. And there, fishing rods on the other side, kids playing. Man, this is the life. WA is really good. North, south, the whole coast, all the way is just amazing. But yeah, stay with us. Well, there you go, first fish of the day, herring. What's that, Lockie?
Herring.
Go, pick it up, tight.
Yeah, those ones got a little bit of spike, but they're okay.
Just behind the head there. That's it, hold it tight. There you go. Here you go, first fish. I could say Simon caught it, but we're going to say Lockie caught it. Ew! One would say he's had a bit of practice doing that. You're in a school. Oh yeah, you are, I can see him. First fish. Simon caught a herring. He's caught another one as well. Honestly, I've got to figure out a way to like put sunscreen on his rigs or something. He's always taking the fish. All right, I'm getting mine out. Sustain 5000 coming out. There you go. New rod and reel. Bit overkill for herring. It's like 30 pound. But hey, won't lose any. Right, here we go. Sammy's got my rod. What are we fishing for? Herring. Alright. Lockie, here we go. Lockie's got one small little herring here. We're going to let him go and swim, aren't we, Lockie? Alright, let's put him back. Hold him in the water. That's it. There he goes. Yeah, big one. What's that?
A herring, a big one.
That's a big one, isn't it? That's a good eating. Should we let him go? Let's go. Swim. Slowly in the water. Let him swim. Oh. Another day. Another fish with the bro and the kids. What are we using, Simon?
Well, we got is a small float on there. It's just a long shank and a bit of green tube.
Yeah, easy.
And we've caught about 12 or so herring.
With no
Fun for the kids.
With no bait.
Me.
Oh, perfect cast. Perfect cast. So good. How good is this water? Oh, man, it is so nice in here. Absolutely crystal clear. Check that out. Honestly, if you haven't been down here, you need to get here because it's awesome. All right, well that's us. Myalup Beach, hour and a half south of Perth. It's pretty good. Lots of herring down here. A lot of tailor if you're fishing the sunset. But yeah, good to get the four-wheel drive out as well. So until next time and the next adventure, we'll see you soon. Woo! Say bye-bye.
Ay,
Bye-bye.
run it, run. No, 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 ay. I've been running out of time, think I need to rewind, feeling out of line. I put everything aside, hoping that I make it right, all the things I do for you. I've been running out of time, think I need to rewind, feeling out of line for you. I put everything aside, hoping that I make it right, all the things I do for you. Nonchalant, wake up feeling like I'm righteous. In my mind, see it grab me with my likeness.